Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about in IPC, instrumentation and process control. The unit number 5, the control system. Today discuss about topic in our basis measuring elements. Okay, the control system માં જોઈશું આપણે measuring element. Then after જોઈશું આપણે controller and final control elements. Okay, so start કરીએ for a measuring element to this one part. Okay. The temperature measuring element which since the bath temperature T and transmits a single Tm. Which one? Because this is a Tm, and through the controller maybe exhibits some dynamic lag from the discussion of mercury thermometer in a unit number 5 માં જે આપણે already જોઈ ગયા છે. Okay, we observed this lag to the first order reactions. Which one? This is y of s upon x of s is equal to 1 upon tau s plus 1. ઓકે, આ ઇક્વેશન જોઈ ગયા હતા આપણે. હવે એના બેઝિસ પરથી આપણે જે સિસ્ટમ છે ટીએમ નું તે ઇક્વેશન્સ આપણે જોવાના છે. તો કયું જે છે મેઝરિંગ એલિમેન્ટનું, ધ ટેમ્પરેચર મેઝરિંગ એલિમેન્ટ which since the bath temperature T and transmits a single Tm to the controller maybe exhibits some dynamic lag from the discussion of mercury and mercury thermometer in a unit number 5 જે જોઈ ગયા છે આપણે. We observed this lag to the be first order. In this example we shall assume that the temperature measuring of the element first order reactions in a Laplace transform. Okay, and for which the transfer function is which one? This one. T dash m of s is divided by T dash s is equal to 1 upon tau ms plus 1. Okay, so what is the tau dash and tau dash m? Where the input or output variables for T dash and T dash m are the deviations variable defined as the T dash is equal to what? T minus capital T and T dash m is equal to Tm minus Tms. Okay, જે આયરું ટર્મ છે એના બેઝિસ પર. ઓકે, હવે ફિગર 9.6 ના બેઝિસ પરથી જોઈશું આપણે બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ ફોર મેઝરિંગ એલિમેન્ટ્સ. કોનો મેઝરિંગ એલિમેન્ટનો આપણે જોવાનો છે બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ. ઓકે, તો કયા ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝિસ પર છે? ધીસ વન. ઓકે, નોટ ધેટ the VR, the input and output variables, the T dash and T dash m are the deviations variable which one defined as this term T dash is equal to T minus capital T and T dash m is equal to Tm minus Tms. Okay, note that when the control system is at steady state, okay, note that when the control system at the steady state, the Ts is equal to Tms, which means the temperature measuring elements read the true bath temperature. The transfer function for the measuring element may be represented by the block diagram shown in 9.6. Okay, the block diagram of the measuring element for this one, the T dash m. Okay, and T dash s. Which one equations? This one, 1 upon Tms plus 1. Okay, this is the part for a measuring element. Okay, this one for the measuring element, the temperature measuring element which since the bath temperature T and transmits a single Tm to the controller maybe exhibits some dynamic lag basis છે from the discussion of the mercury thermometer એના યુનિટ નંબર 5 જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. હવે ફર્સ્ટ ઓર્ડરનું જે લાપ્લાસ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મનું ઇક્વેશન છે એના બેસિસ પર આપણે જોઈએ. તો T dash ms is equal by T dash s is equal to 1 upon tau s plus 1. Okay, and where the input output variables, the T dash and T dash m are the deviations variable defined as the T dash is equal to T minus T, T dash m is equal to Tm minus Tms. Note that when the control system is as at a steady state conditions છે, the Ts is equal to Tms આવશે, which means the temperature measuring The elements read are true bath temperature. The transfer functions, the measuring element may be represented by the block diagram in figure 6. જોયું આપણે this one. Okay. Then the T dash S is equal to 1 upon tau m plus S plus 1 એટલે T dash S. હવે જોઈશું આપણે controller and final control elements. Okay, these are derivation. Then last of on the summary and some problems. Okay. Then after જોઈશું આપણે control valve in a mechanism part for unit number 5 in a final control elements. Closed loop transfer, block diagram for function, overall transfer system, overall mass transfer, multiple loop control system. Okay, this is the diagram basis. Then internal transfer function ના control valve છે એ જોઈશું. ઓકે, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે મેઇન પોઈન્ટ. This one, controller and final control elements. For a convenience, the block representing the controller and the final control elements are combined into the block. In this way, we need to concern only with the overall response between the error and the heat input to the tank, and also it is assumed that the controller is a proportional to the controller in the next chapter. જે જોવાના છે આપણે. ઓકે, આ ચેપ્ટર પછી જોઈશું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટરમાં. which one? The controller and final control elements. એના આપણે કઈ કઈ વસ્તુ જોવાના છે? is a closed loop transfer and a block diagram for a reduction part, overall functions for the single loop system, overall transfer function for a change in a load, overall transfer function in a multi component loop control system. Okay, process and instrumentation diagram, parts of control systems. Okay, this is a unit number 5, the control system આવશે બધું. So the convenience, the block representing the controller and the final control elements for combined into the block. In this way, one need to concern only with the overall response between the error and the heat input to the tank. So it is assumed that the controller is proportional to the controller. In the next chapter, the response of the other controller, which are commonly used in a control system, will be described. The relationship for a proportional to control is a Q is equal to capital K suffix C multiply epsilon E plus capital A. Now what is the notification part for these equations? Equations notification શું આવશે એ જોઈએ આપણે કે epsilon is equal to TR minus TM. Okay, that જે આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ આગળ જોઈ ગયા હતા in a previous lecture, the TR is equal to the set point and the temperature, and Kc is equal to the proportional to sensitivity or controller gain. Okay, the proportional sensitivity or controller gain for A is equal to heat input when epsilon is E is equal to 0. How? Okay, in this convenience will be describe the relationship for a proportional to controller, or where E is equal to TR minus TM. For a TR is equal to the set point temperature and the Kc is equal to the proportional to sensitivity or controller gain. For A is equal to heat input when the E is equal to 0. At steady state, it is the assumed that the set point, the process temperature admit be the all equal to the each others. Okay, the TR શું છે આપણી પાસે set point temperature છે. Okay, and Kc is equal to proportional to sensitivity or controller gain. A heat input when the epsilon is equal to 0. At steady state, assume that the set point, the process temperature and the measured temperature are all equal to each other. Okay, so TRS is equal to TS is equal to TMS. Let epsilon be the deviations variable for error. Thus the E dash is equal to E minus ES, where ES is equal to TRS minus TMS. Since the what is the TRS is equal to TMS? ઓકે, બંને ઇક્વલ ટર્મમાં લઈ લઈએ આપણે. ઓકે, ને ES ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 લઈ લઈએ તો ઇક્વેશન 9.21 આપણે આ રીતે લખી શકાય ને. તો ES ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ E minus 0 is equal to E. How? Then after this equation basis for TRS minus TMS. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી શું કીધું છે આ ઇક્વેશન્સમાં જુઓ. આપણી પાસે ઇક્વેશન્સ શું છે, આવી રહ્યો TRS ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ TMS, બરાબર ને. એટલે એપ્સિલોન એસ બરાબર આવ્યું. હવે ES બરાબર 0 લઈ લઈએ તો આ રીતે લખી શકાય એના બેઝિસ પરથી કે TRS ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ TMS. ઓકે, and the deviations, which one? This results so that the epsilon itself are deviations variable. Since ES is equal to 0, in the equation 9.19 become at a steady state. The QS is equal to capital KC ES plus A is equal to 0 plus A is equal to capital A. This results so that the epsilon E is equal to the 0, ES is equal to 0. અને ઇક્વેશન્સ 9.19 તે બીકોમ એટ સ્ટડી સ્ટેટ કન્ડિશન્સ છે. તો QS is equal to KC ES plus A is equal to 0 plus A is equal to capital A, and this equation may be now the written in terms of the QS. Okay, thus the Q is equal to KCE plus QS, or Q is equal to KCE. So where Q is equal to Q minus QS, the transmission of the equations 9.23 will simplify. તો QS is equal to QCES આ પ્રમાણે આવશે. ઓકે, અને આ પ્રમાણેનું ઇક્વેશન્સ આવશે. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો? બધા ઇક્વેશન્સ આપણે ફરીથી જોઈ લઈએ. Which one? The first one is there. The Q is equal to KCE plus A. The what is the notification of part for the proportional control equations? Which one? The relations between E is equal to TR minus TM. TR is equal to the set point temperature. Kc is equal to the proportional to sensitivity or control gain. And A is equal to the heat input when the epsilon is equal to 0. At a steady state, it is assumed that the set point, the process temperature, and the measured temperature are all equal to each other. Thus the TRS is equal to TS is equal to TMS. Okay, તો એના બેઝિસ પરથી શું કીધું છે, તો એપ્સાઇલોન ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ધ E ડેશ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ E માઇનસ ES આવશે. હવે ES ની વેલ્યુ આપણે 0 લઈ લઈએ, હે ને, તો TRS ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ TMS લખાશે ને ઇક્વેશન 9.21 માં લઈએ તો. ઓકે, તો 9.21 ના બેઝિસ પરથી E ડેશ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ E માઇનસ 0 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ એપ્સાઇલોન. This result so that E is itself a deviations variable. So since ES is equal to 0, equation 9.19 become the steady state. Okay, the QS is equal to KCES plus A is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. The equations 9.19 may be the written in terms of the QS. Thus the Q is equal to KCE plus QS. The Q is equal to KCE. Okay, the equations may be now be written in terms. The QS is equal to, thus the Q is equal to KCE plus QS. Q is equal to KCE. The where Q is equal to Q minus QS. The relations of the equations 9.23 is simplify. The QS is equal to KCE of S. Okay, the in terms of the figure, which one? This diagram, 9.7 block diagram for a proportional to controller. Okay, proportional to controller. Unit number 6 છે જે કંટ્રોલ એન્ડ ફાઇનલ કંટ્રોલ એલિમેન્ટ્સ જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ચેપ્ટરમાં જોવાના છે આપણે. ઓકે, okay, this is a diagram T dash R. Which one? This one, T dash R to T dash MS. તો એના પરથી ઇક્વેશન્સ કયું આવશે? આયરુઆ not E, which is also equal to the part E dash, may be the expressed as the E is equal to TR minus TRS is minus TM minus TMS. Okay, તો E is equal to શું લખાશે? T dash R minus T dash M. Okay, તો E is equal to 0 ટર્મ છે તો TRS is equal to EMS લખાશે ને, બરાબર. તો ES is equal to T dash RS minus TSM of S. The transfer function of the proportional to control given by the equations 9.24, and the generations of error given by the equations may be expressed by the block diagram in the 9.7, this one. Okay, this diagram. Okay, we have now completed the development of the separate blocks for according to figure 9.2 to 9.7. Okay, in the obtained for a diagram from the complete controller system in a 9.8 એ જુઓ this one જે આપણે ઓલરેડી સ્ટડી કરી ગયા છે બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ ફોર કંટ્રોલ સિસ્ટમ માટે બરાબર. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જોવાના છે which term in a closed loop transfer. ઓકે, ફોર ફંક્શન માટે જોઈશું બ્લોક ડાયાગ્રામ રિડક્શન્સ, ઓવરઓલ ટ્રાન્સફર ફંક્શન એક્સેટ્રા એક્સેટ્રા. ઓકે, આ સમરી પાર્ટ આપ્યો છે સિમ્પલી, એ તમારે બહુ ડિસ્કસ જ કરવાનું છે ખાલી, જેના ફિગરના બેઝિસમાં આપણે ડાયાગ્રામમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. ઓકે, આ ઇક્વેશન્સ બી આપણે ડિરાઈવ કર્યું છે ધીઝ વન ઓલ્સો. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.